earlier we went out and we picked a huge tomato. Get in closer. Look at what Miss Erica picked. Oh! Come on, let's put it on a scale and see what it weighs. Put it on a scale. Hang on. Go back here. Look at that. Certified scale by weights and measurements. So there's no cheating going on here. Let's take it off and let's see what this one weighs. Are we gonna do it in pounds?
Yeah, pounds.
Okay, let me turn it back on. We're gonna do it in pounds. Let's put it on there. Whoa! 0.985, almost a pound! Wow, that's a good right there, okay? Homegrown tomato. Okay, so baby girl's here and she's gonna pick her tomato. You ready to pick a tomato? You sure? All right, come on. Okay, Noelle, look. Look, they're tomatoes. Pick a tomato. The red ones. See? Red tomato. You wanna pick that one? Go ahead. Pick that. Pick your tomato. Holy God, girl. All right. Okay, Noelle. Go ahead and take a bite out of it. You want to take a bite out of it? Take a bite. Is it good?
Yeah.
Is it good? What do you mean it's good? We grew it. Of course it's good. Is it good, baby girl? Oh, boy. You like that tomato. Let me see. Take another bite. Take another bite. Can I have a bite? Look at that tomato. Noelle loves her tomato. All right, Noelle, Ophelia. Say thanks for watching. Say bye-bye.
Bye.